What's up guys, today I am Tanvir back with a new video. Today I will tell you how to make a car use at home. It's very easy and simple, but before starting with the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video. Or subscribe to this channel if you are new, and turn on the bell notification for the regular updates, and share as much as you can. So guys, to make the car we need some old bottle caps. Let's keep it aside. A hot glue gun or some Fevikwik, some rubber bands, a 9-watt battery. I use a high voltage battery, it's too good to use in projects. A battery connector, some electric wires, a switch, some straws, and metal rods for our wheels, pair of scissors, marker, and a 9-watt battery. So guys, firstly make the holes equal in both caps. These will perform as our tires. Yes, and take 2 steel or iron or some hard pills to connect the two tires with it. Yes, and now take one straw, the straw at the quotation. The straw should be passed through it easily. Yes. Firstly, now we'll take a marker. We will not take too much, just 2 from here. Take not almost half, this much marking. We have to just put it as a base. If you need, you can also make it shorter afterwards. Now let's remove our mark on the straw. Now see how it is. Yes, it is a little bit big. Let me cut it for you. So let's see. Yes, it's almost perfect. Now take this piece and to the end of the straw. Now take a nice environment friendly white marker. Now mark the edges. Yes. Don't worry if the size of the straw gets larger or smaller, but it should be a little half of it. Yes. Now let's see. Take a rod. Yes, perfect. So guys, to make our tires, firstly take the iron or steel rod. We make it inside the string. Yes, they are getting perfect. Now take some Fevikwik and use it in the bottle's edges. Yes. Now get them to one side. Yes, so like this is almost done. Beware of using Fevikwik or hot glue gun. Yes, paste it inside. Now go and take a straw. Now take the second bottle lid and now paste it on the both sides. Yes. Now go and press this into this. Oh my gosh. Yes, it's good. Now let it dry and keep it aside. Until then, dry, we will make our mechanical engine of our car. Firstly, I have already peeled the connector, battery connector, but I will peel it much. By peeling it, it will be good or more. But don't get too much big. Now take electric wire and peel it. So guys, this is peeled. Now take the black portion of a battery connector and take the motor and fix it in. Before fixing it, roll it like this so all the small wires will be engaged with it. Yes, it is the work of patience. After one has gone, yes, as you can see, we have done with this. Now just roll like this. Roll it much so it will be hard enough. Yes, now leave this one. Now take the another wire and wrap it around the next point and wrap it. Yes. Now take a switch. Firstly, connect the connector with the battery. Now we will find that is switch is on or not and what are its points. There are 3 points in it. The between one is always for the electric circuits. Yes, we will engage it in. Okay. Now take a battery's wire. Let's see. Means the battery is not on. Oh, switch is not on. Okay, this is the power point. Now we switch off the battery or switch and then I will engage the motor with this at an angle. Good. Yes. So ready. So see our motor. See, it is working. Yes. Okay. Now take a piece of cardboard. Let's fix it on it. Now see how they will be. We have to do according to their settings. And it will be on the side. Firstly, let's go and fix these. But beware, these must not be covered while pasting. Otherwise, your battery can have a great chance of exploded. We can use Fevikwik or hot glue gun to paste it on. Let's see. Now paste the battery on it. So guys, first let it dry. Yes. So our tires are ready. Yes. Let's wait for a while. So guys, I have assembled all the things on a cardboard, and the cardboard is pointed on the straws, so the movement is allowed. Yes. Now I will stick the switch on it using a Fevikwik. Yes. Okay. Now let's take some rubber bands. Yes. Now stretch them. Now tie it on the one tire. Oh. Yes. So mine guys, our car is ready. Yes, our car is fully ready. So guys, let's see how it works. Whoa. Oh my god. So guys, this is the end of the video. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you are new and drop a like on this video and comment down below, do you like my videos? So thanks and have a wonderful day.